Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Muhammad Fadli and I am an English teacher at SMK Negeri 1 Galang. In today's video, we are going to learn and analyze two important grammar topics, noun clause and adjective clause. These two types of clauses are essential for making complex sentences and expressing ideas more clearly in English. So stay tuned and make sure you watch until the end. Before we start, let's understand what a clause is. A clause is a group of words that has a subject and a predicate. There are two kinds of clauses: independent clause, which can stand alone as a sentence, and dependent clauses, which cannot stand alone. Both noun clauses and adjective clauses are type of dependent clauses. You can see on screen a clause equals subject plus predicate. Example, independent, she is reading a book. Dependent, because she is tired. Let's start with noun clauses. A noun clause is dependent clause that function as a noun in a sentence. That means it can be as the subject, object, or complement in a sentence. Noun clauses are usually introduced by words like that, if, whether, what, who, whom, which, when, where, why, and how. You can see on the screen. Formula connectors plus subject plus verb. Example connector: that, what, who, whether, if, when, where, how, and why. Function of noun clause. Let's see how noun clauses function in sentences. As a subject, what she said is true. The clause what she said function as the subject of the sentence. As an object, I know that she is honest. The clause that she is honest, the object of the verb know. As a complement, the problem is that he forget the key. The clause that he forget the key complements the meaning of the verb is. If the clause answer the question what or who is usually a noun clause. Example and analysis of noun clause. Now let's analyze some example in detail. Sentence: that he passed the exam made his parents proud. Function as a subject. Explanation: the clause acts as the subject of the verb made. Example: I believe the honesty is important. Function as object. The clause answer believe what. Sentence: my hope is that everyone will success. Function complement. Explanation: it gives meaning to it. Sentence: as we can see, its noun clause works just like a single noun in the sentence. What is an adjective clause? Next, let's talk about adjective clause, also called relative clause. An adjective clause is dependent clause that modifies noun. It gives more information about a person, place, or thing. Adjective clause are introduced by relative pronouns such as who, whom, whose, which, and that, or by where and when. You can see on the screen formula: noun plus relative pronoun plus clause. Example connectors: who, whom, whose, which, that, where, and when. Example of adjective clauses. Let's look at some example. The teacher who teaches English is very kind. The clause who teaches English describes the teachers. Number 2, the book that I borrowed yesterday is interesting. The clause that I borrowed yesterday describes the book. Number 3, the place where we met was beautiful. The clause where we met gives information about the place. You can see on the screen. Adjective clause. Adjective describes noun just like adjectives do. Identify relative pronouns. Here are the most common relative pronouns and their use. Who refers to people as a subject. Whom refers to people as object. Which refer to things or animals. That is refers to people or thing used in defining clauses. Whose shows position. Where refers to places. When refers to time. Example, the student whose bag was lost came to see me. Whose bag was lost tells us which student. Comparing nouns clause versus adjective clause. Now let's compare both clauses so we can easily tell the difference. Feature. Noun clause. Function. Acts as a noun, subject, object, or complement. Adjective clause describes a noun. Function introduced by that, what, who, if, whether, how, why. Adjective clause who, whom, whose, which, that, where, and when. Example for noun clause. I believe that honesty is important. Example for adjective clause. The man who is honest is respected. So remember, if the clause acts as a thing, subject or object is a noun clause. If it describes a noun, it is an adjective clause. Practice and reflection. Let's try a quick exercise. Identify whether these sentences contain a noun clause or an adjective clause. Number 1, I don't know where she lives. Number 2, the car that he bought is very expensive. Number 3, what you said surprised everyone. Try to answer before I reveal the answer. Ready? Number 1 and 3 are noun clause, while number 2 is an adjective clause. Conclusion. To conclude, a noun clause acts as a noun. It can be the subject, object, or complement. And an adjective clause modifies a noun and gives more information about it. Both are essential in English grammar because they help us create more complex, interesting, and precise sentences. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more English lesson. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.